For this work I have chosen the theme, place and times preposition. The first part of this material was designed for teens and the second one for adults. The class stages are divided into presentation, practice and production. At the presentation stage, our students have to practice pronunciation of the new words. We have to explain them, its meaning and grammatical rules when necessary. At the practice stage, our students must practice what they have learned in the previous stage under teacher's supervision and corrections. In the third and final stage, students should conduct their work individually or in groups where the teacher participation is lower. At this stage, the level of student learning is verified. The first 3 slides are part of the stage presentation. In this first one, I will explain clearly what the class objectives are, what topics are going to be taught, what topics students are going to learn, and when they will use this preposition in a conversation. In this second slide, I will explain the definition of prepositions in order to students know clearly what the theme meaning is. In the third slide, I will show them the different prepositions of place, and they will practice their pronunciation until the students learn them very well. Besides, I will explain the position of the is in a sentence. The fourth slide is part of the practice stage, in which students will apply the knowledge obtained in the previous stage. Students will practice the use of prepositions repeatedly, under the teacher's supervision until they learn them properly. In this fifth slide, there are more examples about how to use place preposition. The sixth slide is part of the third stage, in which students will make a free practice about the knowledge obtained in the previous stages. In this stage, I will check the amount of knowledge obtained during the class. In the seventh slide, students will find several web pages where they can find more information about this topic, and links where they can make practical exercises to improve its knowledge. This is the second part of this work. These slides were designed for adults. In this 8th slide, students will find time preposition definition. In this slide, students will find the most common time prepositions. They must repeat them until they learn its pronunciations correctly. Besides, teacher will explain its use in a sentence. The 10th slide is part of the third stage, in which students will make a free practice about the knowledge obtained in the previous stages. Teacher will correct them when necessary. In this slide, they will continue making practical exercises in their notebooks or in the whiteboard. The objective is they learn more about this topic. In this line, students will find several web pages where they can find more information about this topic and links where they can make practical exercises to improve its knowledge.